All right, let's take a look at how to add water to the water chiller. First of all, the water we use must be purified water like the kind we have in Hez. Never use tap water, use purified water. The bottled water we drink, like mineral water, is purified water or mineral water. Our first step is we turn on the power. This part doesn't need to be turned on. We just need to turn on the power. Our screen will display this, display this. Well, of course, since I've already added water for the first time, there's no alarm showing here. But if you haven't added water for the first time, it will give an alarm, like an E3 warning. You don't need to worry about it. You can just take our this cap at the vent, you can unscrew the vent cap and pull this nozzle out. After pulling it out, we take this, insert one end into the water and the other end, insert it here, insert it here. Of course, we must remove the vent cap. This vent cap must be removed. This vent cap of mine. When adding water, you need to pull out this stopper. Yes, it needs to be removed. Yes, it also needs to be removed. I won't remove it now. After threading it through, place this end in our water container and press this button. Keep pressing this button and it will start to draw. It will pump water in. You'll need to prepare about 2 liters of water, around 1.8 to 2 liters. After pumping it in for the first use, we need to fill it up to the max mark. Just up to the cap is fine, salesperson. And after I'm done pumping, we can release this button. When we press it, it starts pumping, and when we let go, it stops. Once we're done pumping, we need to seal this opening again. Seal it for me, and then we also need to seal this exhaust port in the same way. Just seal it up.